Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Yes, I was shopping again. Always shopping because that's key on our journey. Thank you for subscribing. Ring the bell so you'll get all my newest podcasts, groceries, recipes, tips by email, and of course, share with other people. So I was at a few different stores. I was at Walmart and I love the great value products, the olive oil and the butter canola oil sprays. Great for baking and for cooking. My red onion, I love to put in my salads, and for my salad dressing that I make is super delicious. The egg whites are fantastic. I'm going to be making different egg white omelets this week, and I'm going to try using them for other recipes as well, so stay tuned. And I do have some other omelets that you can check out on my YouTube. This is backwards. I love fresh trout, and I usually put on some onion and garlic pepper and some roasted red pepper and garlic seasoning, whatever you like, even with some garlic and lemon juice or fresh dill or dill dip, whatever you like, and I usually bake it for like 15 minutes. Costco, everything's backwards. The extra large eggs I use in lots of my baking, my quiches, omelets, muffins, cakes, you name it. It's always good. And they're just great to have hard-boiled eggs as a snack. Remember, though, that you're still counting calories on Freestyle. Fresh spinach. I love spinach in my omelets, quiches, and I'm thinking that I'm going to be making some smoothies with some spinach and some fresh kale. I love making kale chips. You can check out my recipe. Some carrots that are cut. I love these ones to have as a snack throughout the day. And they're nice and sweet, so that helps. I love the chicken breast meat. I love them just to have also to eat on their own or to add to my quiches and my muffin cups, or my pizzas are fantastic. And they're already cooked, so that makes life easy. Asparagus, of course, for, to steam, to roast. I love asparagus. All right, cauliflower rice. And for my cauliflower pizzas, check them out. I'm going to make some other new recipes, my cauliflower wings. So you can check those out, but there's going to be a few surprises with my cauliflower. Stay tuned. Melba toast. This Melba toast is my ultimate favorite. And I bought it at Sobeys. I used to buy it at the low-carb grocery store. It's in the kosher section. And what I love about it is only 2 smart points. Oh, here it is on the English nutritional facts here. 80 calories for the whole package. You get 6, and it's flavored. And they have different flavors. They have original, they have garlic, and the sesame are amazing. These are delicious. These are called pierogies. I always called them like rice cake pops or whatever, but I got these at Sobeys. You can get them at T&T, different Chinese stores, regular stores, and they're only, I believe, like 60 calories. Oh, less than 20 calories, it says. No sugar and low carb, which is fantastic. I just love these. And they're great as a snack. They're great to eat with your meals for breakfast, brunch, lunch. And of course, my oatmeal for my overnight oats, or I just love making hot oatmeal. And for my baking, of course, you can make oat flour or just use it as is. Check out all my different recipes, all right? You'll find lots. And I love buying, again, the great value. Because it's only $2 for this huge bag. I know, it's fantastic, right? So you get 1 kilogram for $2. Worth it. The Czech cereal is also one of my all-time favorites because it's low in everything. 2 grams of sugar for 1 cup. Half a cup is 1 smart point. 1 cup is 3 smart points if you're on Weight Watchers. So I buy the plain because the original, it has less sugar. And my favorite mustard, of course, President's Choice, sweet with heat. If you can find one that's similar, fantastic to put on fish, people, or chicken, and gives it a lot of flavor. Just if you make some of my burgers, you can add that to it on top afterwards, or fish, or you can use it in salad dressings. It is versatile, and all my recipes are versatile. Okay, so when you're making things, you can always add, if you don't like spinach, you can add kale. You don't like kale, you can add spinach. You know what I mean. So I just wanted to show you what I bought. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Okay, and check out the other recipes I have. Bye for now. Love you guys.